Fliz AI has just been released, and it's making waves in the world of AI software. If you're curious about this tool and want to know if it's the right fit for you, stick around. In this Fliz AI review, I'll walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what Fliz AI offers and whether it deserves a spot in your toolkit. And by the way, you can try it for completely free. Just check the first link in the description below. Fliz AI is designed to simplify your workflow, bringing next-level automation to everything from content creation to digital marketing. Whether you're a marketer, content creator, or small business owner, this software positions itself as an all-in-one solution to boost efficiency and creativity. But is it truly as game-changing as it's being hyped up to be? Let's break it down. First off, the user interface is super intuitive. Unlike other AI tools that can leave you feeling overwhelmed with complex features, Fliz AI prides itself on being easy to navigate. The dashboard is clean, the features are clearly labeled, and it doesn't take long to get a feel for how everything works. This makes it especially useful for people who are new to AI tools but want something powerful without a steep learning curve. Now let's talk about its core capabilities. One of the standout features is Fliz AI's content generation. It can generate high-quality text for blogs, social media posts, emails, and more in a matter of seconds. This could save you hours of work every week, whether you're trying to pump out content for your business or just keeping up with a busy schedule. The AI isn't just spitting out generic copy. It analyzes your inputs and provides results that are highly relevant to your niche. Another feature worth noting is the automated email outreach. Fliz AI can craft personalized emails at scale, which is a huge win for digital marketers. Imagine sending hundreds of emails without ever having to manually write each one. Fliz does this effortlessly. The AI can also track the performance of those emails, giving you detailed insights into open rates and engagement levels, helping you fine-tune your campaigns. In terms of customization, Fliz AI really shines. It allows you to set preferences, adjust tone and style, and even optimize for specific audiences. The personalization options are robust, giving you complete control over the output. This makes it ideal for anyone looking to keep their content aligned with their brand voice while still leveraging AI to speed things up. But is it all sunshine and rainbows? Well, Fliz AI does have a few limitations, especially when it comes to niche topics or highly technical content. The software is still evolving, so while it's fantastic for general content creation, there might be instances where you'll need to tweak the output or guide it with more specific instructions. On the pricing side, Fliz AI is offering a competitive rate, especially considering the features it provides. You can try it for free, which is an absolute steal, to see if it works for you before committing any funds. And if you decide to upgrade, there are tiered options to suit both individual users and businesses with larger scale needs. Now, here's something you definitely want to stick around for. While Fliz AI offers a solid range of features, I've tried thousands of AI tools, and I've got my own list of recommended software that I personally vouch for. Tools that I find more versatile or better suited to specific needs. I'll link these down in the description, so make sure to check those out after giving Fliz AI a shot. To wrap it up, Fliz AI might be new on the scene, but it has the potential to become a go-to for marketers, content creators, and businesses looking for powerful automation at an affordable price. Give it a try for free and see how it fits into your workflow. You've got nothing to lose and plenty of productivity to gain. As always, check the description for my top AI software recommendations after testing countless others. Thanks for watching.